What's up, guys? Today we got the Vivo y22s. So this is a phone, one of my phones I actually plan on selling. So before I sell it, I have to replace the screen, and that's pretty much it. What we're doing today, we'll replace the screen because the touch is very faulty. It glitches a lot. And then the back glass. At the moment, I'm not gonna fix it. The back glass and the side panel or the housing, I'm not gonna replace it. I'm gonna sell it just with the fixed screen. So yeah, let's get to the video. Fine, yeah. Alright, I'm done. So pretty much everything's fixed. I gotta just fix the back glass in the future. But if you're interested as is, I'm gonna be selling this on Facebook Marketplace for $1,200 at the moment. And then I'm going to, yeah, that's pretty much it.